This video presentation is brought to you by SWR. This video demonstrates how to use your emergency release and how to re-engage your door after a power cut. In the event of a power cut, unlock the handle on the front of your door. Turn the handle firmly, this will disengage the door. You can now open the door manually. Once power is restored, push the green button on the carriage block, followed by the up arrow on the operator. The chain will now rotate. When it passes the carriage block, it will reconnect the operator to your door. Your door is now automated again.